I know how to take the air out of the room. All right, you ready?
Okay.
All right.
The amount of money in your account, when you do the investment. He's also over your school, top administrator. Okay. Temperature scale.
Celsius?
Yes. Range, the other word. You know,
good.
Exactly.
You got it. You got it.
You don't know what that is. Study of patterns, position. He mentioned it.
Algebra? Math?
Can I tell him what it starts with?
No.
Study of patterns.
Oh, math.
She's passing that one.
Oh.
All right. On a circle from the center to a side. It's called.
Good.
Triangle. All sides the same.
Equilateral.
Good.
Shape, 6 sides. Polygon.
Hexagon.
Yeah.
If it's not congruent, it is like on a
Not congruent.
2
Time.
shapes.
Time.
Oh.
I said similar. That one I guess. Okay. Go ahead.
Did she
Yeah.
say similar?
I said similar.
It was too late.
No, I said similar.
Oh, well, look, I'm playing like a kid. He already took my call and said that she said time. So I say similar.
That's why you need a judge. Oh, the one that had to get skipped around.
Step in on this one.
You know the one we skipped topology. I don't know what that is. What the heck? I know he mentioned it. You know what I'm
Okay.
feeling like.
Let's review. I'm gonna need help now. So now, can I trust the team that's not guessing to watch the time for me?
Oh, yeah. How much time?
After they've
How many did we get?
After they've
I'm gonna count it off right now.
I got a couple.
Oh, well, we got to keep it out here so we can see it. Now that we don't trust
She
you.
chooses honest. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, well, let's go.
I can't watch Miss Savage has a question.
Questions. They use principle, but they got a non-math definition. So what's the point on that?
No, but first I gave them the math definition. Then I said also think of the
But they
administrator.
didn't get it on the math definition.
Yeah, I gave them both.
But that was but you said that was a bonus. A bonus.
Yeah. Now I haven't declared bonus points. Now I only do that when it gets too far away
So they
from
did
that.
on principle.
Yeah,
They went to okay.
I gave
I gave them real life. You know, because the kid can give them the
I
real
need a
life
judge.
definition first.
Hey, don't be too critical.
That's
Okay, don't get too critical.
No.
But the
Oh.
next thing to think about in the
Okay.
classroom, how you're going to handle it, because you're going to be. Well, I like the 2-group idea because you can monitor 2 groups better. Because if it was 4 or 5, you couldn't be there to be the
No, you
final
really
say.
didn't get that.
So I like the 2.
How many points was that just now?
We got hexagon, equilateral, radius, domain, Celsius, and principal.
What didn't they get?
They got 6.
Yeah,
Skip topology.
Now
Yeah, what's
they
topology?
passed topology, so that
I don't know
gives you.
topology.
But that gives you your first point.
Oh, because
You got one
Yeah,
because
she
you
skipped.
said.
Okay,
This takes too
gotcha.
much time, and I couldn't give them good clues.
Now,
Y'all should have had that word.
a very simple formal definition for each term is given.
Yeah.
However,
That don't help.
even a simple definition is not necessarily known to all. So you have to use it at your discretion. There are times where it makes a confusing situation even worse.
So you can't read what's on the back of that card.
Yes,
Yeah, you
the
can
definitions are on there.
read it to them, but sometimes you'll see a blank look just go absolutely flatline. So you have to be careful.
Topology would have been a tough one.
In topology.
Okay.
Topography, I might talk about.
Do y'all have names for
That
these?
should have been your word.
Okay, let's start teams.
The victory.
Oh, I like that. They want to call that victory, huh?
All right, and I'm going to say that that's the team on my left, so I don't get confused. And then what will your name be?
What would our name be?
Yeah, but
Oh, you see that's what
Because I like the shoes. I like the shoes. Call it DP.
That's right. The non-medical.
What you call? Oh, Team
All right,
B.
the first two
Oh.
jewels, Louise.
yeah.
Oh, that's so generic. My name is B. Okay, it's my team.
Do you all use topology in your math class?
No,
Oh, see, you wouldn't have got it either.
no, I wouldn't have gotten that one.
Mr. Brown asked you to multitask here for just one
Oh, yeah.
Science, and I would have gone to the science definition.
The words that you selected that are in your top today.
That would have been a good thing if I would
You
have
said
known
it
something
could go
about the
across the
science.
board.
Okay,
Then,
Yeah.
so
It's got some
I could
good
just go
words.
through and pull the words that I need, and maybe that I would want the kids to focus
No, I
on.
wouldn't keep that one because I would have wanted them to get from me.
I would like to have all of
But,
them just to
I want all of
see
them
the
See,
challenge.
the way I distribute the game now is I send you a Word document template
Right,
that you can print onto the business card paper,
gotcha.
so you can take words out of your set if you want to.
So
You
we
can
can
put other
manipulate
words
the cards
in.
that you're sending us.
Yeah.
Okay, wonderful.
I just did that last week.
Okay.
That'd be
I'm
nice.
sorry, that's my last
Practice.
No, but just remember now when you ask me,
Come on now, we're ready to play.
I'm sorry, I'm going.
This is a classroom. You done lost my attention a long time ago. I've been over there doing something I wasn't supposed to be doing and got in trouble.
Andy, you got a tough team, man.
Oh, no, I'm just telling you. You've been doing that. I snuck out the door. Oh, what the fuck is
Oh, wait a minute. Don't be flipping the cards.
Oh, look at leave him alone.
Might be trying to get all the easy ones on top. He could hit.
Yeah,
He's looking out into space.
yeah, like,
Thinking about that.
Just a second, I'm sorry.
okay. I won't disappear on
Remember
you
what
now.
the first card is.
Okay, I won't disappear
Don't
on
say
you.
it, just remember what the first card is.
Okay.
Is our last card. They didn't quite get. Got very close to getting.
Okay.
Okay, Andy. Who's got the time?
I got
Are you ready?
Then you count him off. Then you start him off.
Three.
All right.
Not congruent, but very close.
Similar.
Okay.
Activity directed toward making or doing something. Something I have to go to school to.
Learn.
I have to go to my job.
To get money.
Work. There.
Work. Oh, okay.
If I'm putting something on paper, I am.
Right.
I'm the boss.
Leader.
I'm the man in
Principal.
charge.
Administrator,
I'm-
manager, leader, captain.
I am the boss.
The right or responsibility to make decisions.
Judge. I'm the judge.
Teacher.
Okay, let's start out with this. I write books,
Author.
Writer, yeah.
That's good. That's good.
but keep going.
Writer, author.
I write
Authority.
very good. That's good. Angle that is a measure greater than a right angle.
Obtuse.
There you go. That's your
Time.
Time.
Ooh, dang. Yeah, y'all own that
But
time?
see, like on that word, I wouldn't have spent all that time on it.
Yeah.
Don't y'all play this game? You know,
Well,
my kids play this game.
Well,
It's similar to this. What's the name of that game?
Taboo.
Yeah, we play Taboo.
Yeah,
Oh boy,
right.
you know, but the best clues you can't say, so I like this one better because I can say everything.
Well, I used to have words that you couldn't say right there.
I think I like this one better. You can say everything.
All right, we have similar, work.
You shouldn't have given me similar because we had similar.
I know, but they didn't shout.
Y'all got over on principle. Come on.
Authority. Now, authority was especially good because you didn't get the first route that he took, so he took another route.
Yeah.
He
And
took
that's
a very
true.
creative route.
Yeah.
That's why the name of the game is Talk to Me. It's like you gotta talk to them. Even if you know it, you gotta get them to know it.
Oh, okay, got you now. I understand your name.
And obtuse angle,
Yeah.
that was
Yeah.
very good. And right in the nick of time, man, because
Yeah.
I was
Oh, so that was on that one, boy.
Wow, you ain't that bad. I wasn't at that phase. Just paying attention. I was paying attention.
I know.
Okay, watch this now.
Okay.
The way I'm recording the score, in round 1,
Okay.
Team B stole 1 clue
Okay.
from victory,
Okay.
and then they got 5 of their own
So
for a total of 6.
So we're tied.
Pretty tight ball game.
So it's 6 to 6.
Yeah.
Top of the second inning. Every clue giver has to go at least once before you can start to repeat clue givers.
Okay.
Can't just send up your runner
That's
every
usually
time.
with the other one.
Yeah. Okay, we can do that.
I love this kind of stuff.
Me too. I like the night. And I don't even have kids anymore.
I knew you put it where I could see.
This is on the side.
Come play that same
This is
game.
very,
Oh, sorry.
and see if you have,
It's going back down.
She is cheating.
I am not cheating. It's called playing the game. I'm sorry, you all.
No,
You
you
did
won't.
not give me all those rules. I'm one of those kids. You got to tell me exactly what I can't do. He said, take the time. I took it.
at the beginning of the game, you was sitting back there.
Quiet.
You and me.
Oh,
She was just
I'm sorry, you all. When you said play, I like to play. This is how I run my class. We play. I'm high school and I play. Okay, so I play. Okay.
And Lee and Andrew.
Now you can tell me when to turn it. Now this is in that they was on me this time.
Come on. All
You
right.
count them down. 3,
Is it
2.
clear? Yeah, you count them down and you tell them
Okay,
when to go.
3, 2, 1, go.
Same size and shape, having the same size.
Congruent to.
A squared plus B squared to C squared.
But they're in there.
In a right triangle, decide opposite the right angle.
Adjacent.
The leg.
There you go. Okay. A plus B equals B plus A.
Commutative property.
Good. Studies of the pattern of motion, change, and space. You usually don't take this course until...
Geometry?
No. You usually don't take this course until high school.
Space.
No.
Vectors?
There you go.
Thank you.
Polygon that's equilateral and equiangular.
Square.
No,
Equilateral.
Rectangle. Oh,
it's
That's
a polygon,
okay.
not a specific. There you go. Good. All right. Distance around the circle.
Circumference.
Good. Polygon with 2 sets of parallel sides, 4 congruent sides, and 4 right angles.
Rectangle.
That's it.
She said.
Time.
Okay.
You know, it looked like it was out.
It
You
was out.
official. She's official.
She's official.
That's good.
No, I was letting it go all the way down.
That's good.
And hit the sand.
We didn't hear what she said.
About what? The answer?
The
She
last
said, I said rectangle, she said square.
Square.
Oh, okay.
So we said it at the same time.
Well, just let me know when you don't hear nothing, because I can hear up here.
Oh, we
I'll
can
let you
scream
know.
now.
Yeah, we want to know.
Talk loud.
All right, I'll talk about it.
And see, now, just tell me, because see, when I hear them, I think you hear them.
No, we don't.
All right, they have
Now you listen to
congruent,
yours over there.
Pythagorean theorem, hypotenuse, commutative, calculus, regular polygon, circumference, and square. That was some beautiful clue giving and getting. There you go. That was very nice. Very nice.
How many we got?
That was 8.
That was 8. That's all right. We didn't even have to pass. That was good. You did it.
Okay, so how do we
A
go?
lot of times you know it, then you have to say, okay.
Okay, so there were no
You got to describe it.
clues stolen in that round.
Okay.
Okay, who's coming to set the record?
All right. Okay. Listen.
Oh, look at it. Look at you looking at you.
I know.
Question, y'all gonna be hard on me.
You can
Be hard on me. Yes.
Yeah, I know. You know how to say that.
Yes.
He's giving you all of them. He said you'll get them all. All right. Somebody get the clock. Wait a minute.
All right, now in case we run out of clues, I brought the 3rd grade version of the game.
Oh, okay, the 3rd grade.
This one died in the market test because it's actually too hard.
High school.
Believe it or not, I did away with grade levels. The 3rd grade version is like really hard, so I'll use that if we run out of cards.
Oh.
So don't be scared.
So you have different grade levels on the website.
Yeah, now let me see. I still have, I did away with kindergarten. I kept grade 1 and 2, grade 3, I got geometry, this version, the GCTM version, and I've got a character education version. Those are like the 4 different ones. Yeah, the grade level thing didn't really work out. I worked on that for long. That didn't work out. You ready? All right, this is Miss Savage.
You're making me nervous. I'm ready.
And then you got to watch this.
Time
Give her a
keeper's gonna start.
countdown.
3, 2, 1, go.
2 angles whose sum is 90 degrees.
Complementary.
The bottom of a figure.
Base.
When you are doing this, you are interpreting organized thought. Written.
You're making that organizer. Organize.
When you are doing this process, you
Logical
are,
thinking.
You do it
Deductive
to word
reasoning.
problems.
What?
You do it to word problems.
Solve.
You also have to, before you solve, you
Passing.
No more.
not an equation, but
Equilateral. I mean, equal.
Expression, yeah.
Okay.
table, graph,
Chart.
Visual.
a set of symbols that express the mathematical rule. We also think about these three go together: table, graph,
Chart, graph.
Algebra equations. Table,
Time.
graph.
Ooh.
All right. Team victory. Can you steal that last clue?
Rule.
Well,
Can't
What's a rule?
Well, really, I didn't get it when she was describing it because I was thinking about it. But I think I know one of those that
But
she
you can't go back.
No, I mean, one of, no, I just wanted to, on the one that you passed, was it reasoning?
I didn't hear nothing.
Was it reasoning on that one that you passed with the, you were trying to tell them?
Strategy was the one she passed.
Let's go through it. Let's go through it. All right, now we got expression, base, and complementary angles. So we got three. And the ones we passed, now this is what you do to a book.
You read it, yeah.
Reading is interpreting organized thought. That's something I make all my students learn, because if you learn what reading is, then you understand that if you're never reading, you're never thinking. You're never interpreting it, you're never understanding anything. You gotta read it. All right, and now this one is the way you teach children.
You learn by doing.
Modeling.
No, this is the fancy word that applies, that describes the teaching of children. Now, how about teaching adults?
I would have trouble
Oh, we
with
know.
that.
I really, I
What's
would
the word
know.
for teaching adults?
Oh, yeah, I passed that one. I have to look at it and say, that's not. I wouldn't even waste my time.
But here's why I have this one in the game. Now, the way you teach adults is andragogy. Now, how many of you teach young people who swear they're grown? So you have to mix the methods of pedagogy and andragogy, especially in this day and time, because you know they're children, they think they're adults. They have access to an adult level of information, but they don't have the wisdom to know what to do with it. So you got to have both in your game. So I make sure all my kids know what pedagogy and andragogy are. And they'll get fancy and they'll say, "Are you being pedagogical right now?" I said, "No, I'm acting like your daddy right now."
Andragogy?
Andragogy. Now be careful, because that one's in the game.
I hope it's not. I was just
But topology was in the game too. I didn't give that one away. All right. So we got 3. We got 3 points. We passed 2.
And we passed 2, so y'all just
Well,
jumped
thank y'all
on
for
us.
something, but I passed them too.
Oh, yeah.
that's the stacking.
I just stuck them right on over there. Y'all just have to add them points.
Now I'm giving it to her. She watches better than me.
Sorry.
I'm just going to be next door, so.
Oh, you ready to do your game? Well,
No,
you
no,
do
no,
that.
you can go first.
Yeah, and then
She's
you can
saving
go.
me a seat.
Yeah.
I hope I don't let y'all down.
You let us down and leave.
Sorry, you get it.
I like that one. Pack up that.
I'm over here
Yeah,
praying.
really
Need your guidance.
That's
wisdom.
easy.
I mean, I should have said the opposite of writing.
That's it.
Uh-huh.
That's the one I'm going.
Okay.
I don't know how, but
I don't know why.
I know how, but I
Y'all
don't
check
know
me on the score now. I've got a total of
We know that.
16 for team 1. I got 9 for team 2.
We
We got to
can do
keep
it.
the score right now, because I have to get out of here
When we
live.
pass,
Oh, we wouldn't hurt you.
I know.
With
I
that.
might shift you on the way back, but I won't hurt you.
You go back there knitting a quilt.
I'm sorry, I'm competitive. Okay? It's in my genes. I'm competitive. I don't care what the game is. I don't know how to play it. I'm still competitive.
Okay. I'm going to take out the last word that you were trying to guess. I'm going to take that one out. Now, that was formula.
Okay.
I'm going to go ahead and take that one out.
Oh, darn. He was supposed to.
I know, but I didn't want you to come up and say what you were trying to say.
Well, she never told me.
Okay.
Okay.
That's that.
That's all right.
I'll
that's
take it
fine.
out, then
I'm
it has
okay.
no chance to.
There you go.
And then what's your name?
Annetta.
Annetta.
Yes.
Hi,
All right, Annetta. Who's got the time?
there it
Yeah,
is.
don't let her get it.
Hey, I'm in the bed right
All
here.
right, 3, 2, 1, start.
2 numbers that are the same distance but in opposite directions. Oh!
Can't get that one.
Sorry.
That means we get that?
Yes, yes, it's the opposites.
Temperature scale.
So, well,
Yes.
Yeah, because we did the other one.
The number that occurs most often.
mode.
Good.
Study of patterns of data.
Statistics.
A figure formed by two rays with a common endpoint.
A line.
Line
A
segment
common endpoint.
with a common endpoint.
There are different types, like
Obtuse. I ain't
right,
Yeah.
an unbroken part of a circle.
Unbroken part of the circle.
broken part of the circle.
An unbroken part of a what else to say? Parts of the circle.
She said time.
Oh, is it time? I'm sorry.
All right. Can you steal it?
Art.
Good.
Yeah. Art.
Good.
Because I was when she said I had to put my finger down because I was doing it.
Oh.
No, don't do that.
All right. We got Fahrenheit, mode, statistics, and angle.
Yeah.
All right. So we got 4. We passed opposites by saying the word, and then arc was stolen. All right. So
Okay,
let's
so
tap.
that's a little bit better.
Yeah. I got you too bad.
Round 3 we had.
Square.
Oh, no, you can't read. Oh, no, you
I gotta
didn't.
stay to recover.
Oh, no, you didn't.
You gotta do what you gotta do.
That's pitiful.
I'm competitive. Shame on me. I should.
See, she's competitive too.
Okay. So Team B,
We can do this.
you're already up 2 in this round. So come on up. Let's get some more points back.
Okay.